Hello everyone. Today we're talking about Georgie and Mandy's First Marriage Season 3, what we know about its renewal, release timing, and what fans can expect next. Georgie and Mandy's First Marriage is a sitcom spin-off from Young Sheldon that premiered in October 2024 on CBS, following the married life of Georgie Cooper and Mandy McAllister in the 1990s. Season 2 premiered on October 16, 2025, airing weekly episodes on CBS. As of now, Season 3 hasn't been officially announced yet by CBS, though the network previously renewed the show for Season 2 due to solid ratings and viewership. CBS typically announces renewals for its comedies in the spring or early summer ahead of the fall schedule. If Georgie and Mandy continues to perform well through the 2025-26 season, a renewal for Season 3 could be confirmed around spring 2026. If that happens, production would likely begin mid-2026 with a traditional fall rollout. That pattern would put a potential Season 3 premiere in fall 2026, likely October or November 2026, following CBS's comedy lineup. Predicting the first trailer is usually a few months before the premiere, so fans might see it in late summer 2026. Overall, although there is no official renewal yet, the show's popularity and broadcast habits point toward a high chance of Season 3 arriving in late 2026.